Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss why FET is called a voltage control device. Before that, we are going to discuss how. How is FET a voltage control device? The voltage applied between the gate and the source controls the drain current ID, which means you use the voltage to control the output current. Therefore, FET is a voltage control device. Just explain because it consumes very little power to operate. It relies on the voltage differential to create a field effect necessary for its operation. Hence the field effector transistor name. The amplitude of the voltage differential dictates the operating speed of the device. A FET is a voltage control device by virtue of the fact that current flow from the drain and the source is controlled by the voltage at the gate in reference to the source VGS. A FET is controlled by a voltage at the terminal of the gate, and because of the very high grid impedance flows in or out of the gate. Compared to a bipolar transistor BJT in the active state, which is controlled by the current flowing from the base to the emitter, which allows to obtain a collector emitter current proportional to the base emitter current. A FET is a voltage control device because the current between the drain and the source is controlled by voltage at the gate with reference to the source VGS. Repeating again. This contrasts with the current controlled BJT because the current flow between the collector and the emitter is controlled by the current flowing through the base. Now you know why is FET a voltage control device. The most common type of FET is a type of insulated door. Since the door is isolated from the drain and source, no current can cross it or very little in practical. The FET has no choice, it cannot be controlled by the current, so it must be controlled by the electrostatic field created by the voltage in its grid, hence its name field effect transistor. To be short and simple, you vary the voltage at the terminal, you get a constant current at the output. This is because the gate voltage is used to control channel resistance or pinch condition. While a transistor is a current control device because the base current is used to control the output collector current, taking into account the configuration of the common emitter. In practical cases, the MOSFET is better than the FET. The effects of ionization in the FET make it unfit for use in practical circuits. That's why we have installed a layer of metal oxide on the FET to improve its applications. For more detailed explanation, study the output response graphs of FET and compare them with those of MOSFET. JFET is a voltage control device because the input signal is applied to the reverse bias PN junction, source gate, which allows only a leakage current in nanoamps. The input bias current is negligible, the voltage having a dominant effect or very high impedance of 100 megaohms. The output current flows from the source to the drain. The variation of the gate voltage controls the drain current. Instrumentation amplifiers. JFET are used to amplify thermocouple signals in the microvolt range since virtually no bias current is drawn from the sensor. By comparing BJT, it uses a live biased PN junction in rush current in a range from micro to milliamps, resulting in low input impedance. Here the change of the base current controls the greatest variation of the current at the collector. Therefore, BJT is a current controlled apparatus. It can be noted that in two amplifiers BJT JFET, the voltage signals are given as input. So which device is a voltage control device? Which devices? MOSFET driven circuits. The power MOSFET is a voltage control device. By providing a positive voltage to the gate with respect to the source, current will be made to flow in the drain, reducing the voltage to zero until we turn the drain current off. So that's all about how, why, and what are the FET, which type of FET devices are known as voltage control devices. Thank you.